Two extra rice players collaborating. Uy, ganda ng pasa. Ganda. Last, ano to? First half, second half, boss? First half pa lang. Okay, we're winding down. 1 minute. 3. Dang! Almost. In and out. Ganda ng pasa ni AR. Ganda. Uy, nice pass. Nice! Ganda. Wala pa. Wala sa practice si Irvin. Ganda lumayap yun. Misses and wide open layup. Ang ganda ulit. Nice na. Nice na. Free-wheeling game. Ganda ng pasa ulit. Free-wheeling. Free-wheeling ang laro ngayon. Wow! He's back. Ito yung one of the rugged guards here in our Papawis Monday Club. AR. Eto na. Nice pass. Ganda sana ng pass. Wow, nice pass break. Easy layup. Eto na si Bo Belga. Intercepted by Ginyahan.